Hello, I'm Jim Strawn representing Juror Calling. We are here with a Q&A with the senior developer from Juror Calling, and we're going to learn all about this Juror Calling, who they are, why they exist, and how they can help you. To help us out, to understand that, we have with us the senior developer of Juror Calling, Bobby Bogus. Bobby, how are you?
I'm doing great today.
Tell me a little bit about your role with Juror Calling.
I'm one of the senior developers with it, and to give you the background, we basically have been doing the court systems for about 30 years, and doing notification systems for 15 plus. And we found the need with between notification systems and court systems that we could mesh them together and make something that would help the court systems out.
So you folks have developed this new software?
Correct, yes.
What's your background to actually develop new software? How did you get into the technology business, Bobby?
I started off, I went to Marshall University, started off with computers, the easy stuff, and then I moved into software development, started doing that, and excelled from there. And I've been here since 2003, actually, and been doing this for a long time.
So you got a few years under your belt.
I do, yes.
Do you like this ever-evolving technology, ever-evolving industry? Do you enjoy it?
Absolutely.
It changes every day, right?
Every single day,
Yeah.
That's right.
So I'm hearing great things about this Juror Calling. So it's a software that you folks have developed. I know the circuit judges love it. I know the circuit courts love it. Why do they love it so much, and how are they using it?
Sure. Well, if you've ever been called for...
I've been on jury duty.
Jury duty,
Yeah.
Okay, well, basically the way the process works right now is they have a telephone number, you call in, and you have to call in and check and see if you're supposed to show up the next day. And if you do, then that's great. It's a pain for the jurors because they don't want to call in.
Right.
They don't want to have to do that.
I had to call every night or every morning.
Right, exactly.
So
right.
will this eliminate that?
It does. What we do is we reverse the process. So instead of you calling in, we call you when you need to come. We call you, we text you, we email you. We can get a hold of you anyway on any of your devices. So when we contact you and you respond to it, the circuit clerks know that you actually received a phone call. They know that you are going to be able to make it, and then you come. And it eliminates a lot of problems for them because a lot of them would have to say, if they needed 15 jurors, they would call 50 because they never could get 50 to show up. They got to make sure they have enough. That makes the judges happy. So what we do is call them, and then they're assured, and then they call them again the night before they need to show up for trial, and they all come in. And we're getting huge percentages. In Raleigh County, we get like 90+%.
So you're already working with circuit courts in Raleigh County, West Virginia?
Yes, that's correct.
And other courts throughout the state of West Virginia and the United States? So this is a product and a service that you folks are offering all over the United States of America?
Absolutely, yeah.
Let me give the telephone number, Bobby, okay? If you'd like to learn more about Juror Calling, it is www.jurorcalling.com, jurorcalling.com. The 1-800 number is 1-800-205-4848. This sounds like a computerized notification system on steroids. It's pretty slick, isn't it?
It is. And they get, like I say, they get 100% participation. Not to mention, there's a whole flip side that it's a cost savings for the courts, because if they tell you, if you call in the traditional way, and then you're supposed to be there tomorrow, and you come in, but they dismiss the trial, they still have to pay you.
They have to pay the juror, and it ruins that juror duty's day. They called in, they might be a teacher, they may be an attorney, they may be a hospital administrator. Their day's pretty much shot. I mean, this is no good for them, so it's really a win-win for all the parties involved, right?
You got it.
So you're having some pretty good luck with this. It's been well received. You'd like to get it out there a little bit more and say, hey, this thing is a proven product. It's a proven service. Give Juror Calling a call, and give them a call at 1-800-205-4848. Bobby, what else do people need to know about this Juror Calling software?
The biggest thing is the cost savings and the advantage of manpower that you don't have to use when you get a hold of these people. Because in addition to those that we were mentioning, a lot of times a trial will get adjudicated right at the last minute, or they'll plea bargain or something like that. So they contact the people, let you know. You're always aware of what's going on as a juror, which is great because nobody likes to be on jury duty. Nobody.
I didn't care for it myself, but you have to do it. It's part of being a citizen in the United States of America. This sounds like a pretty slick software. I appreciate you guys putting it together. One more time, give Juror Calling a call, 1-800-205-4848. You can also simply go to their website, www.jurorcalling.com. Lots of great testimonies on there. You can learn more about the product. Give Bobby a call. Bobby Bogus, the Senior Developer with Juror Calling. I'm Jim Strawn, representing Juror Calling. Bobby, do you have a parting shot you want the audience to know about this thing?
We just want you to check us out and make sure that it fits for you, and I think you'll be very happy with it. So give us a call anytime. We appreciate you.
Thank you, Bobby. And we hope to hear from you very shortly. Again, I'm Jim Strawn with Juror Calling, jurorcalling.com, 800-205-4848. Till the next Q&A, I'm Jim Strawn. Take care.